Apple has started working on the next-gen iOS 19 and other updates, as indicated by a VisionOS 3 reference in the company's sample project. Apple's software engineers have been quite busy lately with the development of the forthcoming operating systems, which the company will announce at its WWDC event next year. The company recently released iOS 18.2 with major Apple Intelligence upgrades, including ChatGPT support for Siri, and soon after, the company released the first developer beta of iOS 18.3. It is now being reported that the company has also started working on its forthcoming VisionOS 3 update for the Apple Vision Pro. Apple's VisionOS 3 references found in new sample projects, indicating that the company has already started working on next year's updates. Mark Gurman believes that Apple's slow rollout of iOS 18 to iOS 18.4 updates is causing delays in the development of iOS 19. Apple needs to ramp up the development of Apple Intelligence features for the iPhone, iPad, and Mac if it wants to stick to the timely delivery of front-facing features in iOS 19. What this means is that the company's engineers are currently busy with iOS 18 projects while they should be working on iOS 19 features, and if the trend continues, we might see major iOS 19 features get delayed the same way as we are seeing right now. Apple already working on VisionOS 3 is a good indicator that the company has started working on its next-gen updates, including iOS 19, iPadOS 19, macOS 16, and watchOS 12 for 2025. According to Apple Insider, Apple accidentally included a reference to its unreleased VisionOS 3 operating system in the documentation for a sample project on its website. A similar project referenced the unreleased version of the VisionOS 2.4 update, which will be available next year during the spring. Both of these operating systems are indications that the company has started working on its next generation of updates for the Vision Pro headset. Apple is potentially working on iOS 19, macOS 16, and watchOS 12 as well, which will be announced at the company's WWDC event in 2025. Apple Intelligence will continue to be the company's main selling feature of the updates, and it remains to be seen what kind of upgrades the company will bring to the table. Apple desperately needs to boost the development of its i feature, and failure to do so will only result in iOS 19 features being delayed. So far, Apple Intelligence has not made a major dent in the general user experience of users, but the company is gearing up to introduce some major updates, and we will get more details on the forthcoming operating systems in the coming months as we get closer to WWDC. What are your expectations from iOS 19?